Good morning, YouTube, or good evening, or good night. Dave here, coming up with you on a Monday. On an early morning broadcast. I'm falling asleep. Today is Friday, the 17th of April of 2020, and I'm supposed to be asleep in bed right now. I don't even know what time it is. It might be 8 o'clock in the morning, maybe 8:30. I'm not sure. I'm freaking waiting for UPS. They're supposed to arrive here, according to my phone. I registered to UPS because it tells me get accurate times of when the driver will arrive. Well, I log in and the app says your driver will arrive soon. I've been here almost an hour and I haven't seen anything yet. And this is getting a little bit I'm getting pissed because I don't know when UPS is supposed to arrive. I don't know when DHL arrives. Sometimes DHL arrives at noon. I've seen UPS arrive. I've never actually logged it down. I never get packages from UPS, so I wasn't very interested to know what time they arrive. Now I need to know what time they arrive. It's barely 8 o'clock and I'm sleepy as hell, and I do not want to go home and fall asleep because the package that they are dropping off requires a signature, which is what I hate most of all. Why does it require a signature? I have no freaking idea. All I know is that I'm sleepy. I want to go to sleep already. I want my package to arrive. It's happened in the past that I never end up getting the package because I work nights and the guy comes during the daytime. And sometimes the package is sent back to the manufacturer because I was never able to get it. And that's what I hate. Why the hell does UPS require a signature? It's the most stupidest thing that could ever happen. Why does UPS require a signature? For what? An item that costs less than $100, or maybe just a little bit more than $100, but it totally sucks. Matter of fact, I'm in town and I'm supposed to have that mask on, and I think I better put it on because local law enforcement, the city police requires us to have masks if we're going to be out in public. And the last thing I want is to get a ticket, especially a $1,000 ticket. It says your driver is arriving soon. That is total BS. Total BS, because the rest of the information says scheduled delivery 4/17 of 20 by the end of the day. That's another BS lie invented by UPS invented by all them freight companies, because even FedEx says that by the end of the day. Even DHL says by the end of the day. They never say we'll arrive there at 10:30, 11:30, 12:30. No, it's by the end of the day. They expect you to wait at the house all freaking day long. I don't have that type of patience. I'm supposed to be asleep. This is totally screwed up. Anyways, that's my update for now. And yes, I'm complaining about UPS because I had already called them. They said, well, it's in the delivery truck. Oh my gosh. I hate this crap. Okay, and UPS doesn't come by. And it's already, it's gonna be 15 till 9 o'clock. And they still haven't come by. Anyways, I'm gonna log it down for now. Y'all have a good morning. Have a safe weekend. Keep that mask on.